Hi everyone. So today is 8 November Wednesday and it is currently 2:52, and this was my to-do list for yesterday and this is my to-do list for today. Yesterday I could not do much. I just did maths for 1 hour and I did not do anything else. So basically all of this is a backlog which I'll have to clear by today, and then I will also have to complete all of this. So let me explain my today's plan to you first of all. So basically, since I did maths only for 1 hour, I still have to do maths for 2 hours and 3 hours, which is 5 hours of mathematics, the video lecture of the chapter Outcomes of Democracy. After that, I will attempt the questions of biology, the chapter heredity, and I think I'm still left with 3 or 4 questions from the chapter how do organisms reproduce. So I'll attempt that, and I will attempt 10 questions of electricity chapter, and then I will watch the video lecture of the chapter magnetic effects. So yes, that's my plan for today, and it's a lot of work, but I will have to complete it by today anyhow because I don't want any more backlog at this point. So right now I will start off with mathematics. I put a timer of 1 hour 30 minutes. This timer will end at 4:24. So hopefully I'll be able to complete all my work of today and yesterday. Let's start doing mathematics.
So here I was doing the chapter coordinate geometry from the book of R.S. Agarwal. And I think I'm left with 8 or 10 questions from the chapter coordinate geometry from the book of R.S. Agarwal. Once I'm done with the chapter coordinate geometry, I will start doing the chapter probability because it is a relatively easier chapter and it will take less time to complete. Once I'm done with probability, I will do the chapter heights and distances. And even though our exams are approaching very soon, we have to focus on completing the syllabus, but at the same time I think that we should also focus on completing the syllabus efficiently. Otherwise, while revising, we'll have to start revising every single chapter from scratch, which is not at all possible. So right now my main focus is not just to complete the syllabus but also to complete it in the best way possible so that I can revise everything very smoothly and I don't get confused, or I just don't get stuck somewhere while revising the chapters, especially of mathematics.
4:26, and right now I'm going to take a break of 10 minutes. So this timer will end at 4:37, and at 4:37 I'll start practicing maths again for 2 hours straight this time.
Now let's talk about why I did not study more than 1 hour yesterday. The reason being, when I came back from school, I was extremely tired, and with this tiredness, I had to go to the doctor to just get one injection. And once I came back, I had started studying because it was around 5 o'clock when I came back. So I started studying, and then at around 6 o'clock, I was just extremely tired and I was just sleeping on the table itself. But after that, I just got up and slept because I could not study at all. And I woke up at around 7:40 or 7:45, and after that I had to rush to the dentist's clinic because obviously I had an appointment. So after I came back, I did not have any energy to study again. I don't know why. I was just feeling very tired even after sleeping for an hour and 45 minutes. So yeah, as a result, I just could not study anything yesterday other than that math practice of 1 hour. So that is why I had a lot of backlog which I needed to clear, which I am doing at this point. And other than that, it was actually getting very hectic because I usually take breaks of 15 minutes, but here I was only taking breaks of like 10 minutes. So, yeah, but I had to do it because otherwise I wouldn't have been able to clear my backlog.
So this timer will end at 6:52. So I will start studying at 6:52 again. So it is currently 6:42 and right now I'm going to do the last study session of mathematics for today. Okay, it is 6:43. So right now I'll do the last study session of mathematics, which is going to be of 1 hour 30 minutes. So this timer will end at 8:28. So yeah. Oh, sorry, 8:23. So I will study till 8:23. So yeah. I'll meet you at 8:23 again.
So here I was doing mathematics again, and I did mathematics for like 5 hours that day because I was left with 2 hours from yesterday and 3 hours from today. So I did it for like 5 hours. So right now I am left with a lot of school work. Basically, mostly the school work is from the subject of Hindi. I have to write some questions and answers from Hindi, which I will do as soon as possible because I have to get my Hindi copies checked. And by the way, the chapter Magnetic Effects of Electric Current is going to be the last chapter of of science. And once I'm done with that chapter, I'll be done with my syllabus of science. And after that, I will start revising my science syllabus from the very beginning.
So it is currently 8:25 and I am done with my maths task for today, as well as I'm done with the maths task of yesterday. So yeah, right now I'm going to take a little long break. After that, I will come back and start studying again. Most probably civics. It is currently 9 o'clock right now and I'll start studying civics. So I'll put a timer of 1 hour. So this timer will end at 11 o'clock. So yeah, I'll start studying civics right now.
And here I was doing the chapter Outcomes of Democracy from Civics, and I was simultaneously making the notes of the chapter while watching the video lecture. And I usually prefer making long notes because you can just thoroughly revise a particular chapter by reading your notes, and you don't have to read the NCRT line by line all over again whenever you're revising. And I have talked about this in my previous videos also, that I make notes mostly for the revision purpose and also for the practice of answer writing, because when you're writing the notes you also get an idea about the kind of questions which may be asked from a particular topic, and you can write your answers in points, which is actually a very great thing to do in the social science examination. But at the same time, I believe that writing or not writing notes is a very subjective thing, and it is not at all necessary that you'll obviously have to write notes for scoring good in SST. No, it is not at all necessary. You might get full marks by not writing notes at all, and you might not get any marks even after writing notes. It all depends on you. But in my case, I feel that when I'm writing down the notes, I can learn everything in a better way, and I can also revise everything in a better way, and I can save a lot of time.
01 and I have done this chapter Outcomes of Democracy up to this much. I'm still left with just one topic, which is dignity and freedom of the citizens, and I'm going to do it tomorrow. So yeah, for today, and so basically I am done with my civics work of today. as well as of tomorrow. I'm still left with the questions of biology, 10 questions of electricity and magnetic effects of electric current. So right now I'm going to take a break of 10 minutes. No, 12 minutes. Okay. So this timer will end at 11:13, and from 11:13 I will start practicing the chapter magnetic effects. I'll most probably do it for 40 minutes. After that, I will do the questions of biology for 40 minutes, and then I'll do the 10 questions of electricity. I'll have to sleep as early as possible as I have my school tomorrow, but I don't think I'll be able to sleep very early. So, yeah, let's see how this goes.
As I have already mentioned earlier, this is going to be the last chapter of science which I'm left with. After the completion of this chapter, I will be done with my science syllabus. And once I'm done with my science syllabus, I'll start revising it. First, I'll do the exercise and in-text questions of all the chapters, and then I'm going to start off with the PYQs and example problems.
12:02, and I'm done with the chapter magnetic effects. Yeah, I watched one lecture of this particular chapter from PW, and right now I'm just left with my yesterday's work of the questions of biology and electricity is 10 questions. Right now I'll do the 10 questions of electricity. After that I'll do the questions of biology. So I'll just do the questions of biology directly after completing this 10 questions. I'll not take a break in between anymore. So yeah, let's start.
So, for the chapter electricity, I was practicing some PYQs, and I also practiced some questions from the NCRT Exemplar. I haven't bought the book of NCRT Exemplar. You can just get the PDF of the Exemplar from the NCRT website. And for biology, I was practicing the questions from the book itself. And once I was done with the chapter How Do Organisms Reproduce, I moved towards the chapter Heredity, and I did the index questions of the chapter Heredity.
So it is currently 12:53. It's very late and I have to sleep right now because I have my school tomorrow. So yes, I'm done with all my tasks for today. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And before I end this video, I just want to make this clear that I do not follow this routine every single day because it is not possible as I have my school every single day. So yeah, I hope you all will understand. And I'm not at all promoting to stay up late at night and go to school early with minimum hours of sleep. This is not something that I can promote at all because it is not something which is healthy. So yes, make sure that you have a good amount of sleep. But today I had to complete all my backlog because the exams are approaching very soon. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to make this clear. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.